Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials and then jump right in. Make sure your device is charged above 20% and any system updates are applied, because resets can require a reboot. Once done, open Settings, then tap Network and Internet, and select Hotspot and Tethering. You're doing this so you can access hotspot controls and reset options directly. This prevents surprises later. Now that the hotspot menu is visible, get ready to toggle features, and note current SSID and password before changes. Next, perform the detailed reset steps that actually resolve most problems. First, open Wi-Fi hotspot settings and change the SSID and password. This forces clients to reconnect and clears stale associations. Then toggle the hotspot off, wait 10 seconds, and toggle it back on so services restart cleanly. If devices still can't connect, go to System Reset Options and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This wipes network configs system-wide. These actions refresh the tethering service and eliminate bad cache settings. Finally, verify the hotspot is healthy and apply a focused fix if needed. Reconnect a single client device using the new SSID and password, then browse a site to confirm connectivity and measure speed. If it fails, reboot your phone and try toggling airplane mode to reset radios quickly. Make sure mobile data is enabled and not restricted by battery saver. If problems continue, try a different SIM to rule out carrier issues. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort because it erases your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.